Okay, I'm gonna show you my dogs again. This is Lolly, Bonnie Boo. Where's Bella? Oh. Bella Boop's outside.
Why is that open?
I think Dad opened that.
There's a rat in there.
Oh, cool. Anyways, we call the rat.
Is the rat under that bucket?
No.
Oh. I was like, oh no.
Okay, one, you're stupid. Whee! There's the rat! And the rat's up there. We call him Michael. He's the main character. Bella. And that's Bella. So yeah.